Hello, today we're going to talk about adding integers. Adding integers with the same sign. To add integers with the same sign, you're going to find the sum of the absolute values and keep the sign in your answer. So let's look at our first example, 5 plus 10. The absolute value of positive 5 is 5 because positive 5 is 5 places to the right of 0 on a number line. Positive 10 is 10 places to the right of 0 on a number line, so the absolute value of positive 10 is 10. Now we're going to find the sum of those absolute values, which means we are going to add them, and 5 plus 10 equals 15. Now for our answer, we need to keep the sign of the original numbers. Since positive 5 and positive 10 were both positive, our answer will be positive 15. Now let's look at our second example, negative 5 plus negative 10. The absolute value of negative 5 is 5 because negative 5 is 5 places to the left of 0 on a number line, and absolute value is always positive. The absolute value of negative 10 is 10 because negative 10 is 10 places to the left of 0 on a number line. Now let's find the sum of the absolute values. 5 plus 10 equals 15. For our answer, we need to keep the sign of the original values. Negative 5 and negative 10 are both negative in this problem, so our answer will be negative 15. Now let's talk about adding integers with different signs. To add integers with different signs, we're going to find the difference of the absolute values and take the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. So let's look at our first example of negative 5 plus 10. I have numbers with different signs. My 5 is negative and my 10 is positive. So let's find the absolute values of these numbers. Negative 5 is 5 places to the left of 0 on a number line, so the absolute value of negative 5 is 5. Positive 10 is 10 places to the right of 0 on a number line, so the absolute value of positive 10 is 10. Since I have different signs in my original problem, this time I'm going to find the difference of the absolute values, which means I'm going to subtract them. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Now for our answer, we need to take the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. 10 is greater than 5, and 10 in the original problem is positive. Therefore, our answer is going to be positive 5. Now let's look at our second example, positive 5 plus negative 10. So the absolute value of 5 is 5. And the absolute value of negative 10 is 10. And now we're going to find the difference of the absolute values. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. Now if we look at the absolute values of the original numbers, 10 is greater than 5. And in the original problem, our 10 is negative. Therefore, our answer will be negative 5. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel.